Yes.
Okay. What was the last question? The last class?
Mississippi sir, Mississippi question.
Mississippi. In how many ways we can arrange all the letters of the word Mississippi in which?
Letters are not repeated like that.
In which? यही था ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What was the condition? No to,
Yes,
So two
together.
SR together.
no to,
SR together.
no to S are together. Okay. Okay. So how many alphabets are there? 11. Out of 11, I's are 4, 2 P's, S are 4. Okay. 4 I's, 4 S, 4I, 4S, 1M. Now, so first, forget S. Let us arrange these 7 letters in a row. In how many ways? These 7 letters can be arranged. 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Except S, the remaining alphabets can be arranged in 4 factorial by 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. Now, after arranging these 7 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For S, how many places are there we have? For these 4S, how many places we have?
8.
8. The first S can be placed in how many ways? 8 ways. First S has how many options?
8.
8 options. This equals 8. Second, 7.
7.
Third, 6. Fourth,
5.
5. Or same way. 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. By 4 factorial here, we have to write 4 factorial because the arrangement of S will be immaterial. Here, it will count arrangement of S also. If you remember that question, suppose we have 10 boys, 5 girls, last bit. In how many ways they can sit in a row so that no 2 girls are together? What we did? First girl has how many options? 11.
Yes, sir.
11 into 10 into like that. So that will give the arrangement of the girls among themselves.
Yes, sir.
Here, the arrangement of the S among themselves is immaterial because they are identical. Because they are
Identical.
identical. If you interchange 2S, the arrangement will remain same. So you do by this way or the second method. Now we know the selection. For girls, we have how many places? 11. But we need only how many? 4.
4.
For girls, we have how many places? 11. We need at a time only 4. So let us select 4 place out of 11 and put these 4s in these 4 places. That's it. Just check it. This and this is same. sorry, we have how many places? 8 places. Not 11. How many places we have for girls? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of these 8 places, we need only 4 at a time. To select 4 places and put these 4s in these 4 places. Corresponding to one selection of 4 places, there is one arrangement. Now the work is complete. Check it, both are same or not?
Yes, sir. Both are same.
Now, once you look at that problem, 10 boys and 5 girls, the very first day problem, I think. First day or second day. The last bit. After writing it, once you look at that one, last bit. In how many ways we can arrange these 15 students so that no 2 girls will be together? Look at it. I'm doing it by this way. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Look at
1 minute. Answer.
now look at that question. 10 boys, 5 girls, last bit. Just reverse the page. 10 boys, 5 girls. In how many ways we can arrange them in a row such that no 2 girls are together? Similar to this. I'm doing it by this way. After arranging the boys, in how many ways we can arrange the boys?
So 10 factorial ways.
10 factorial. Work is not completed. Now for 5 girls, how many places we have?
11 places.
11. But we need at a time how many places? 5.
5.
So select 5 places. After selecting these 5 places, we can arrange these 5 places because this is not now place, it's a girl. Okay? After selecting 5 girls, put these 5 girls in these 5 places. But we can arrange them in among themselves. It will give us only selection since we can arrange them. We can arrange the girls among themselves. 5 girls can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Just check the answer, both are same or not. See the logic. Now we will use this one. This is nothing but 11p4. This is nothing but 11p4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Check it, both are same.
Yes, sir. Both are same.
See the difference. Same logic. Here, the 4s cannot be arranged among themselves. If you arrange them, the arrangement will remain same because s are identical. Here, if you arrange girls among themselves, the arrangement will be different. Girls are different. That's why we have to multiply by 5 factorial. See the same logic, same thing, nothing different. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write it. What is this? Isama. What's your name? EESAMA. What's its pronunciation? अच्छा
It is Isa MA, sir.
ईसा MA.
Yes, sir.
ईसा MA for
Don't know, sir.
huh?
No, sir.
ईसा MA. We pronounce it like that. But there
Sir,
must be
first
some.
one is 36 and second one is 180.
Let me clear my doubt first. Isa, I know meaning. MA stands for what? Hmm?
Sir, his family name, sir.
Huh?
Family name, sir.
You
Family
have?
name. Sir, we keep this this surname, no, sir. Surname.
Surname, huh? But surname represents something. Okay.
So in southern states, we do like that, sir. We don't like the
Yes, sir.
we don't write the full form. We write in the first capital letters, M.A.,
अच्छा,
like
हाँ हाँ
Muhammad, or the
हाँ
father's name, like that.
हाँ हाँ, okay. चलो ठीक है. Two boys and two girls. See, these are two disjoint sets. Four boys and three girls. What is our work? We have to select four persons in which two boys and two girls are there. Two boys and two girls. First case. So we have to select work is we have to select four persons. So in how many ways we can select two boys out of four boys? It's only selection. 4C2. Work is not completed. Work is not completed. So into. Next, in how many ways we can select two girls out of three girls? 3C,
3C2.
6 into 3, 18. Okay. First bit is 18 ways.
Sir, what is that, sir? 4% in?
Four
In second
boys,
question, sir. In question, sir.
four
Four
persons. In how many ways we can select four persons? Out of these 7 persons, we have to select four persons in which at least there are two girls.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Out of these selected four persons, there can be two girls, there can be three girls. Because at the most there are three girls only. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now come to second bit. Same thing, four boys, there are two possibilities. Four boys, three girls. You have to select four persons in which at least two girls are there. There are two possibilities. There can be two girls, two boys. There can be three girls, one boy.
One boy.
Okay. So corresponding to corresponding to first case, in how many ways we can select two boys? 4C2 into 3C2. Work is completed. Work is because our job is to select four persons. Completed. Plus. Corresponding to this case, 4C1 into
4C1 plus 3C1
4C1
into 3C1.
3C
3C3.
very clear. Generally, people get confusion in plus minus. Very clear. Just I tell you. Till the work completed, it's into. Let it be
Yes.
arrangement, let it be selection. Once the work is completed, only then
Add.
plus. When we do the same work by other way. So this is 18 plus 4. Okay. Okay. Really.
So what is that, sir? 4% in?
Figure 4 persons in which at least there are two girls. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? Two girls, two boys, three girls, one boy.
Yes.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you
Bro.
please shut that door?
Can I?
Can you please shut that door, sir? The door behind
Sir,
you.
window. The light reflection is coming.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Light is reflect.
Hmm. It's okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Triangles are formed by joining polygon.
హలో సార్ నమస్తే అండి
సార్ బాత్రూమ్ చేశారా ఏ కలర్ వచ్చింది సార్ మీది బ్రౌన్ బ్లాక్ మామూలు
Irshad.
బ్లాక్
Irshad. It's basically based on counting. You likho or just think of. Most of the good questions in PNC will be based on counting, based on simple technique.
Sir, it is n-sided polygon, regular polygon.
It's n-sided regular polygon. I'm having the question.
1 minute, 7 minutes.
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Hmm. This is first vertex, second vertex, third vertex, fourth vertex. This is nth vertex. Having exactly one side common with the polygon. First weight is simply based on counting. Having exactly one side common with the polygon. Suppose this is the common side of the triangle with polygon. Let us assume this side is common to polygon as well as triangle. Except these four vertex. Pick up any vertex and join these two vertex, first and second, with that remaining n-4 vertex. This is the triangle having exactly one side common with the polygon.
Yes, sir.
So except these four vertex, pick up any remaining n-4 vertex. There will be a such triangle. Will it
Yes,
be or
sir.
not? So corresponding to this side, how many? Corresponding to this side, how many triangles are possible?
Sorry, n minus 1, n minus 1. Sorry.
2.
I'm telling you once, I repeat. There are n vertices of the polygon. If you pick up this vertex, this side is fixed. Fix up this side. Let this is the side of a triangle as well as polygon. So if you join these two vertex with this vertex, we won't get that kind of triangle.
Yes, sir, we know.
But if you join this vertex with these three vertex, we will get that type of triangle. Suppose this fifth vertex. If you join these three vertex, we'll get that type of triangle. Pick up this n-1th vertex. Join this. We will get that type of triangle.
Yes, sir.
Corresponding to this side, how many such triangles are there? Having exactly one side common with the polygon.
So
n-4.
n-4. Simple. Except these four vertices, pick up any vertex. We will get a triangle having exactly one side common with the polygon. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Simple logic है. See, if you join this third vertex, corresponding to these two vertices, this is the triangle in which two sides are common with the polygon. So we don't want this type of triangle. Okay. Suppose you pick up this vertex. Joining the vertex 1, 2, 4, we'll get a triangle having only one side with the polygon. So except this after third vertex and before nth vertex, pick up any vertex and join these two vertex. We'll get a triangle having exactly one side common with the polygon. Is it or not? So corresponding to first side, this is first side, corresponding to first side, how many such triangles are there?
n-4.
Corresponding to second side, how many triangles will be there?
n-4.
-4.
n-4. Corresponding to third side, n-4. All will be different triangles. Corresponding to each side, there are n-4 triangles. So total number of such triangles will be how many?
n into n-4.
N into n-4. n-4 plus n-4 plus n-4 up to n times. Corresponding to each side, there are n-4 triangles having exactly one side common with the polygon. Okay, so what is the answer for first bit?
N into n-4.
You write the logic, simple logic. You write the logic, साइड में लिख लो शॉर्ट में अपनी लैंग्वेज में, so that in revision time it will be useful. It's simple based on counting. The answer for the first bit is n into n minus 4. Now think of the second one. I won't do it. Having exactly two sides common with the polygon. Simple based on counting.
Two and
And
Said and Isaac.
yes, sir.
Correct. Very good. See, fix up this vertex. Corresponding to first vertex, just move in the right direction. Corresponding to first vertex, we have one triangle. Okay. Don't move anti-clockwise sense. Corresponding to second vertex, we have second triangle. Corresponding to third vertex, we have third triangle. Like that, count it like that. Corresponding to nth vertex, we have how many triangles? And one triangle. So like that, how many such triangles are possible? Two sides common?
n.
N. Simple based on counting. So answer for second bit is n. Fix up first vertex. Corresponding to this vertex, this is the triangle. Having two sides common, this side and this side. Corresponding to second vertex, this is the triangle. This side and this side are common. Third vertex. So like that, you keep moving. Corresponding to nth vertex, this is the triangle. Think of the last one. No, third bit and fourth bit. Yes, any answer? See.
N, sir, again.
Hmm?
N.
Mhm. See,
Sir, I got n minus 3, sir.
don't try to count. Difficult to count.
N minus 4.
See, pick up any 3 vertex randomly. Pick up any 3 vertex randomly. What are the possibility? Either one side common, the triangle will have either one side common with the polygon, or two sides common with the polygon, or
No side.
no side common. Only these 3 possibilities are there.
Yes, sir.
Is there any other possibility? So total number of triangles by joining 3 vertices. NC3 corresponding, pick up
Yes,
any
sir.
3 vertex, pick up any 3 vertex, select any 3 vertex corresponding to each selection of 3 vertex. There is a triangle. So total number of triangles by joining the vertices of the polygon is how many? NC3. We want this type of triangle. It counts all these 3. It counts this plus this plus this. So what is the, we want only this one.
Practice.
NC3,
NC3 minus n minus n, n into n minus 4.
that's it. Good. समझ में आया कि नहीं? Sometimes
Yes, sir.
I did not understand n plus n into n minus 4, sir. Before that, I understood.
this is, I said NC3 will count all types of triangles. Pick up any 3 vertex.
Yes.
Corresponding to 3 vertex, there is a triangle. That triangle will be either of this type or of this type or of this type.
Yes, sir.
It counts all triangles. It counts
All triangles.
triangles by joining the vertices of the triangle. We want only this type of triangle. So total number of triangles minus this plus this.
Yes, sir.
Total number of triangles minus this plus this.
Yes, sir.
Last bit, find total number of diagonals. Diagonals, this is also a diagonal. This is also a diagonal. This is also a diagonal. It's not only main diagonal. This is also a diagonal. Last bit is total number of diagonals. NC2 minus, pick up any 2 vertex. Corresponding to any 2 vertex, there will be either a diagonal or a side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या होगा 4th bit का आंसर?
NC2 minus n.
Correct. Very good.
Sir, can you explain that, sir? How we are getting NC2 minus n, sir?
Wait. NC2 means total number of ways we can select 2 vertices of the polygon. This can be these two also, or this can be these two also. First vertex, second vertex, third vertex, fourth vertex, and another vertex. Okay. It will count all possibilities of selecting two vertices. This is also 1, 3, it can be 1, 3, it can be 1, 4, it can be 1, 2. 1, 2 or 2, 1, it is same. It can be 1, 3. These are total number of selections of two vertices of the polygon. This selection can be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, like that, all. So except 1, 2, corresponding to this selection, first vertex and second vertex. It's not a diagonal, it's a side. Like that, corresponding to 2, 3. It's not a diagonal, it's a side. So like that, N1. N1.
Yes, sir.
This side. So these n selections we have to subtract. It will count these selections also. It will count these selections also, but corresponding to these selections, we won't get diagonal. It will be a side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
ठीक है. Can I repeat? I'm just dictating one question. This is the basic question. Based on this, I can construct many questions. Just I'm giving you one simple example. In how many ways we can select 3%. In how many ways we can select 3% out of n%, out of n% fitting around a circular table such that 3% such that no two are sitting adjacent. See, meaning of the question is there is a circular table. There are n persons sitting around the table. In how many ways we can select 3% out of the n%, such that no two persons are sitting together. Means in our selection, there should not be any two persons sitting adjacent or sitting together. Just think of this n-sided regular polygon, which bit we can correlate with this.
Sir, diagonal.
Diagonal.
Here we are selecting 3%.
Yes.
A triangle which shares no side with the polygon.
That's it. Number of ways of number of triangles having no side common with the polygon.
Yes, sir.
Number of triangles having
No side common with polygon.
The same.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, there is a difference of language only. The meaning, the question is same. Any doubt here? Like Rabbit,
Not also here.
Jasim.
Yes, sir.
Where is your native place?
Sir, Kerala.
Right now, where you are?
Sir, in Saudi.
Your native place is Kerala. You are in Saudi and you are attending class in Hyderabad. Very good.
No, sir, I am attending class from Saudi only, sir.
You are you are attending classes. You are attending classes in Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. After COVID, inshallah.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Just think of it. Number of 5-digit numbers of the form number of 5-digit numbers of the form A, B, C, B, A, such that A is less than B.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
$450.
Sir, so what is it, sir? Number of 5-digit numbers of the form ABCBA show that. Sir, you are muted, sir.
Such that A is less than B.
Okay, sir.
There is no restriction in C. How many options C has? C
Sir,
has how many?
360.
What's the answer?
360.
Yes, correct. How many options C has? C,
10
whatever.
options.
Suppose this is A, this is B, C has 10 options. Okay. Suppose in these two places, we have to fill up only these two. These two are fixed. Once you select, once you put two numbers here, these two numbers are fixed.
Fixed.
Okay. So here, suppose you select 0 or 8. So 0 will be here, 8 will be here. It won't be 5-digit number. It won't be 5-digit number. So how many numbers we have to, out of 9, remove 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Out of 9, select any 2. We need only 2 at a time.
Yes, sir.
So 9C2. Once we selected 2 numbers, say 4 or 5, that there is only one arrangement. It can't be 5, 4.
Yes, sir.
So only selection. So these two, we can select the numbers for these 2 places in how many ways? 9C2 ways. Got it or not?
Got it.
Got it, sir.
9C2 into 10. Whatever number you placed here, the same number we have to place here. Suppose here 4, 5, whatever it is. It will be 5, 4. Nine C2 into 10. Why 9? Why not 10? Because 0 cannot be, 0 will not be
Taken.
here. Write down one question you just think of. In how many ways? How many 5-digit numbers are there? How many 5-digit numbers are there? In which digits are in increasing order from left to right? Digits are in increasing order from left to right. Second bit. Digits are in decreasing order from left to right. ठीक है, digits, first bit, digits are in increasing order from left to right. Second bit, digits are in decreasing order from left to right. So I'm disconnecting. Okay. Shall I
1
disconnect?
minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.